Hi, welcome. Today we're learning how to create news entries and how to work with templates. First, we need to go to My News. Here we are going to click on the Add New Entry. And in this page, we are going to choose the title for our new entry. And we also can set a feature image by clicking there. The first thing we're going to see here is a media library, but we can also upload a file from our computer if we want to. I'm going to choose a picture for the media library. Choose this. And one set is going to appear here. Now, the third step here is to change the template from default template to Xeon Builder full width. And now we need to assign a category. In this case, I'm going to select news and events. Once it's all done, I'm going to save this draft. And once saved, now I'm going to edit with the Xeon Builder. Now, in the Xeon Builder interface, we are going to get all these elements already here on a template we're working with. So the only thing that we need to choose here now is what kind of content I am going to work with. To add new content, we are going to click on the plus button here and choose library. Here we are going to go with the templates, and here we have our templates. We have one column with pictures, two columns with pictures, or two columns without pictures. I'm going to choose the two columns with pictures. And here it is. Now we can start customizing our news entry. Here, I'm going to click on our subtitle, and we're going to get the left bar. Now, we can increase the size of this to work more comfortably. And to get more content here, we can just paste content from other sources. So let me paste something. Notice how the style is not the same as the one we had before. To fix this, we only need to select all the content here and assign it to heading 4. Heading 4 is the style for our subtitles. Now we can also link here some text. Let me add google.com. It automatically sets the links to the blue color, so we don't have to edit that. But if we want to, we can also do it by selecting the text color option here and select the color that we want to work with. Now, if we want to change text, the process is the same one. Let me paste some additional text here. Notice how the style is not the same again. To fix this, we only need to select all the content here and assign it to paragraph. Now it will work correctly, and the only thing left to do is bold some titles and maybe add some space between paragraphs. And it's done. Now, in this case, we have two columns with pictures, and each picture has a text description. If we don't want to work with text descriptions, we can erase this element. But what if we want to change the picture? If we select and click here, we are going to notice that the left bar is changed, and now it's showing the picture that we have in here. To change this, the only thing that we need to do is click on it. And then again, we are going to get the media library or the option to upload a file. Let me just change this with another picture, or maybe another one. Okay, so now that we have a picture assigned and a text change, we can also notice that down here we have a button column. This column includes a text that says learn more at, and also a button. We can change the text if we want to, and we can also change the content from the button here. Let's put a new title for this button. And here where it says link, we can also change where does this button go. Once we have all our changes done, the only thing left to do is clicking on the checkbox here. And now we're done.